This is how giants retire. Watch these massive ferries on their final, full-speed journey to the scrapyard. First, the GNV Antares slams into the beach, a powerful final horn signaling its end. The Eurocargo Patrasso follows, thundering onto the shore. It's controlled chaos, as these ships are driven directly onto land to be dismantled. Look at that immense force. And finally, behold the Tramola one kicking up an insane amount of dust and debris with its impact, followed by the Ocean Atlantic, making its own dramatic entry. It's an incredible sight to witness the sheer power required to beach these colossal vessels. A truly dramatic farewell for these kings of the ocean.